Hello everyone and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So today we have a 9 square root algebra problem, and the question says the square root into the square root of 75 plus the square root of 72. We are to solve for this. So right here guys, we want to simply simplify this. So we have this to be the square root of 75 can be expressed as 3 multiplied 25 plus the square root of 72 can be expressed as 3 multiplied 24 right here. So this is equal to, now from the property of exponent, if we have the square root of a multiply b, this is equal to the square root of a multiply the square root of b. So applying this, we have this to be the square root of 3 multiply the square root of 25 plus the square root of 3 multiply the square root of 24. So this is equal to the square root of, now from here we have the square root of 3 to be common, and if we factor this out, we have the square root of 25 plus the square root of 24. But the square root of 25 is equals to the square root of 5 multiply 5, which is equals to the square root of 5 square. So this cancelling this, we have this to be 5. And we have that the square root of 24 can be expressed as the square root of 4 multiply 6, which is equals to the square root of 4 multiply the square root of 6, which is equals to the square root of 4 is 2. Multiply root 6, we have this to be 2 root 6. So from here we have this to be the square root of the root of 3 into, now in place of the root of 25 we're going to put in 5 plus, now the place of the square root of 24 we're going to put 2 root 6. So we have this right here. So this is equal to the square root into the square root of 3 into 5 plus 2 into the square root of, now 6 can be expressed as 3 multiplied 2, right? So this is equal to the square root of the root of 3 into 5 plus 2 multiply the root of 3 multiply the root of 2, right? But we can easily express 5 to be 3 plus 2, right? So this is equal to the square root into the square root of 3. Now in place of 5 we're going to put 3 plus 2 plus 2 multiply the square root of 3 multiply the square root of 2. But we know that the square root of 3 raised to the power of 2 is the same thing as 3. And the square root of 2 raised to the power of 2 is the same thing as 2, right? So we're going to replace 3 and 2 with that right here. So this is equal to the square root into the square root of 3 into the square root of 3 square plus the square root of 2 square plus 2 into the square root of 3 multiply the square root of 2. So we have this right here. Now from this property, if we have a square plus b square plus 2ab, this is equals to a plus b all square. Alright, now from here up to this point, we have this right. That is to say, if a is equals to the square root of 3 and b is equals to the square root of 2, so we can have this to be the square root of 3 all square plus the square root of 2 square plus 2 multiply the square root of 3 multiply the square root of 2. So we can have this to be equal to the square root of 3 plus the square root of 2 all square. So if we apply this, we're going to have this right here. So hence, we have the equation to be the square root into the square root of 3 into the square root of 3 plus the square root of 2 all square. But we have that if we have the square root of a multiply b, this is the same thing as the square root of a multiply the square root of b, right? So applying this, we have this to be the double square root of 3 multiply the square root into the square root of 3 plus the square root of 2 whole square. So this is equal to double square root of 3 multiply, this is going to cancel out this, so we have the root of 3 plus the root of 2 right here. But we know that the square root of a is equals to a raised to the power of 1 over 2, right? So we have this to be equal to the square root of 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2 multiply the root of 3 plus the root of 2. So we have this to be 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 2 multiply the square root of 3 plus the square root of 2. And we know from the property of exponent, if we have a raised to the power of m or raised to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to the power of m multiply n, right? So applying this, we have this to be 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 2 multiply the root of 3 plus the root of 2. So this is equals to 3 raised to the power of 1 times 1 is 1 over 2 times 2 is 4 multiply the root of 3 plus the root of 2. So from here we have our final answer to be 3 raised to the power of 1 over 4 multiply the root of 3 plus the root of 2, and this becomes the final answer. So guys, we have been able to solve this nice square root algebra problem right here, and we have our answer to be equals to 3 raised to the power of 1 over 4 multiply the root of 3 plus the root of 2, and this is our answer right here. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.